Hey guys, today we're going to talk about standard 2 in BT7, which is I can add and subtract within 1000. Today we're going to focus on two-digit subtraction with and without regrouping. So on our paper, we have 4 different math problems, and we're going to talk through the steps that your child should be taking as they are solving these problems. So the first thing that they should do is look at the numbers that are in the ones place. So in this problem, we have 2 and 8, and we're going to circle the bigger number. So the bigger number is 8, and then if the big is on the bottom, they will need to borrow 10. So what that looks like is they will cross out both of these numbers, and in the tens place, there's a 6. They're going to take 1 away. So that 6 becomes a 5. And in the ones place, they're going to add the 10. There's already a 2 there, so they're adding 10 more to it. And so that becomes 12. And now they are ready to subtract. So in the ones place, we're going to take away 12, take away 8, and that equals 4. And then we move to our tens place. We have 5 take away 2, which equals 3. So our answer is 34. The next problem is 70 take away 42. In the ones place, we have 0 and 2. The bigger number is 2, so we circle it. If the big is on the bottom, we borrow 10. So we're going to cross out the 7 and the 0. So we're going to borrow from our tens place. So that 7 we're going to borrow 1 from, and that becomes a 6. We're going to add the 10 that we borrowed to our ones place. We have a 0 here already, so we're going to add 10 to it, and that stays a 10. And now we are ready to subtract. So we have 10 take away 2, which equals 8. And then we move to our tens place. 6 take away 4 equals 2. And so our answer is 28. The next problem is 86 minus 24. Again, I'm going to start by looking at my numbers in the ones place, and I'm going to circle my bigger number, which is 6. If the big is on the top, there's no need to stop. So I can subtract as normal. So 6 take away 4 equals 2, and then I move to my tens place. 8 take away 2 equals 6, and my answer is 62. The last problem is 94 take away 68. So I'm going to start by looking at the numbers in my ones place. I have 4 and 8. I'm going to circle the bigger number, which is 8. The big is on the bottom, so I need to borrow 10. So to borrow, I'm going to cross out my 9 and my 4. I'm borrowing from my tens place, so 9 take away 1, so that I am left with 8. And I'm going to give that 10 to my ones place. So 4 plus 10 equals 14. And now I'm ready to subtract. 14 take away 8 equals 6. And then I move to my tens place. So I have 8 minus 6, which equals 2. My answer is 26. We will be working on the standard for the rest of the week. If you guys have any questions, make sure you ask your teachers. We will also be reviewing this standard after Christmas break.